I'm gonna play. Wait, I'm gonna play this game, guys. It's so cool. If your net is finished, if your data is finished, you can play this game for a day. It's too interesting and it will be a good game for you. Those who are kids now. It's only for kids and for young men also, for old men also. Everyone can play this game. It's a high quality game. You have to play like that. You have to scroll up and down. When it's like that, you have to scroll up, again up. And if it's like that, you have to scroll down. And you have to do it. This is a jumping shoes. You can jump up a train. You can jump up a train like that. I got one more sentence. Jumping shoes. Wow, this is. It's really interesting. It's too interesting, guys. I'm gonna play only sometimes, not too much. Hey, you're gonna catch me? Nope, 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 nope. It's not fair. Get out, get out. Yes. You should not be going down. You should always stay up of the train. You should always stay down the train. Means up in the train. Don't stay in down. I must go left, right, left, right, left. Down, down, down. Nope. Nope. I'm gonna die. Nope. Let's see how I'm a noob or pro. How I'm playing this game. I used to play this game very much when I was a kid. I'm gonna die. Nope, 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 nope. You can't catch me, yes. Yeah, boy. This is the correct way. Nope. Train is coming. Go left, right, left. Yep. I have lost the game. But I'm gonna check for free videos. If I can do or not. What happened? What happened? Guys. Getting video. No, 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 no. No, no, what the heck is gone? Starting in time. Let's see, guys. We are lucky we got a video trailer, guys. I don't seem used to be lucky, but I have got lucky this day today means. Wow, it's too interesting jumping shoes. Two X. I got a star. Nope. No. It's too interesting game, guys. You must play this game. I'll give in the description below of this game link how to download. It's easy to download. You just have to download in Play Store, guys. No, I'm going to die. I was going to die, bro. Nope, nope, nope. Oh yeah, save for 5 seconds. 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Save now. Now I'm gonna die, I think. Gone.